Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import Quizlet flashcards to Anki Simple. So let's get straight into it. So I will show you two methods, so stick until the end of the video to know exactly how you can do that. So first method, we will do this, it's kind of fast add-on method. So this is best for text and audio. So open Anki desktop and then navigate to the top menu and select tools. After that, find add-ons. So right here, add-ons. Now install the importer. So we will click get add-ons right here at the right of this window. Now we need to enter the code. So copy this one. So I will leave this screen on a little bit that you can read this code. So we will import Quizlet to Anki importer, or we can use another code, which is Quizlet to Anki importer with audio support. So we can do this one instead. So this one, I will change it now. So this one is for the Quizlet to Anki importer with audio support. And when you are done, when you successfully copy this one, just click OK. So I will leave this on for a bit. Okay, now I think you did this, you copy this code and click OK. Now, as you can see, download complete. Please restart Anki to apply changes. So I will just restart Anki. Let me do this really quickly. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to the Quizlet. So let me jump into it like so. Navigate to your flashcard set and copy the full browser URL. So right here, you will see this share button, click on it, and then you will also see pop-up window if you don't have enabled that it needs to be publicly viewable. So edit visibility, click on that. And then let's here in this private button at the left side, visible to everyone, editable by me, okay, and save. Done. All right. And now I think we can share this. All right, copy link. Okay, now we need to go back to Anki. So here we go back to tools at the top left and then find here import from Quizlet. Click on that and paste in this URL that we just copy and click import deck, just like so, connecting to Quizlet as you can see. And now it needs to be done. And as you can see now we have this right in here. So yeah, we have successfully connected. Now the method number 2, it will be more manual export method, no add-ons needed. So if you add-ons runs into a security issues or something, use these built-in manual export features to move your cards without any external tools. So first what we are going to do is going back to the Quizlet right here. And yeah, click the three dots right here underneath the main flashcard player and then select export. Now what we need to do, select the option to tab between term and definition and then new line between rows. Okay, now we can copy the text like so. Back to the, okay, now we need to open some text editor like so. I will copy this into it like that. And what we need to do, I will save this document on my computer like so. And yeah, what we have here. So I will put just like test Quizlet to Anki like that. Save like so. And what we need to do now is we go back to Anki and we go to File, Import, and yeah, we will find this right here. Open up or import. Here you will see File. So here you can adjust file separator with a tab, as we do that before in exporting option. Then we have import option here, also node type, so you can change it here if you want. Then we have deck, existing nodes, match scopes, and so on, but I won't change anything, so I will just hit here at the top right corner import, and here is the overview. So now we need to have this file right in here. And yeah, this is basically how to import Quizlet flashcards to Anki. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next